Hello friends, are you packaging designer and want to get a client's job faster? Then do one thing, use AI tools, create a packaging design of your client's product right away and send it along with your proposal. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use AI to create packaging design in seconds. Let's get started. First, go to the tools website. You will find the link in the description below. Once you are there, click on login button on the top right side and log in using your Google account. Once you are inside, you will see that this tool offers multiple features. You can design packaging, create product photography, generate AI mockups, and many more. But in this video, we are going to focus on packaging design. So go to the AI design section and right in the center, you will see a box for AI packaging design. Click on it. Once you click it, a chat style panel will pop up. On the left, you will see two input boxes. In the first one, enter what your product is. In the second one, type your brand name. As you fill these out, you will notice that there is a detail begin processing automatically. Below that, there is another box where you can choose your packaging style, whether it's a box, bottle, pouch, or whatever suits your product. Then enter the key elements you want in the packaging, like icons, symbols, or even text. Below that, you can choose the design style and even select your preferred color theme. On the right side of the chat panel, there is an inspiration button. You can click that to get ideas for packaging style, color themes, and even competitor preferences. So let me finish my packaging design quickly. Once everything is set, just hit the generate button and Packify AI will create your packaging design in seconds. Here is your final result. Looks amazing, right?
Yes.
So you will get all your design in JPEG format. Click on download button and it will save everything as a zip file. Want to make changes to your packaging? No problem. Just update your inputs and hit generate again. It will adjust everything based on your new requirement. Now we will view this packaging design in 3D box style format. And then we will customize and manually edit our design as per our preferences. So let's get started. After generating the packaging, we land on this panel. Hover your cursor over the box you want to print or edit. You will see three options: download, AI background, and edit. In AI background, you can generate a background for your product. If you want to completely redesign the packaging, you can do that here as well. Since you want to edit the packaging, we'll click on edit button. Once you click it, the system will analyze your box design and based on it, you will shown various mockup options. Choose the one you like. For example, I like this one, so I'll select it. And you can also view the box in 3D here. Next, click on 3D editor and on the left side, you will see text and image layers, which you can edit. You can also change the package color from here. At the top center, you can add images, text, shapes as per your design needs. Let's say I want to change this text. I will click on it and panel will open on the right side where you can customize the font, alignment, color, and more. You can also lock or delete layers and even add your own images to the design. I now fast forward through this part while I edit the design as per my preferences. Finally, click on export and Packify AI will prepare your design along with the correct packaging dimension and allow you to download it in the PDF format. You can now see the final result on your screen. So if you enjoy this video, then make sure you hit that like button and subscribe my channel and share it with your designer friends. See you in the next one.